because it's quite comforting to eat those kind of videos or kind of tutorials. See something like khichdi, which I would want to get in contact with me and ask for. In the subcontinent pickling, they used to actually use honey in pickling. I believe Indian, is it Gujarati? Is like takeaway or anything like that? Is it because it's a happy late Diwali and all of that good stuff? Churning like a pickle out, Indian pickle, a gunda che. So these are so it comes from the olive family. I'll have to actually do some research with pickle out of this thing called gunda. There's a seed. I'll show you the process in regards to what would you call that? Lemon extract?
Yeah. Chili.
Ooh, this stuff here is called hing. This stuff makes you fart. It's deadly. Should I put more?
No.
See?
3 to 4 days. Just turn around.
My mum is saying that it's very nice. It tastes very nice. And then when it's ready to bottle, we just put it in the bottle. But because she's put the oil, a bit of honey to that one, and then I'm gonna pack it in. It looks amazing and it smells amazing as well. Okay. Aina tabiat pani kem che? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tame bare desma hasokiaik. What would you eat this with? I want to know. What do I have? Maramaya street is the equivalent of mango chutney. And maybe do tel chene. Amanaki jo kone. Watch this to listen to my Indian accent. Dunya.